Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off last active on Instagram. Did you know that other people can see when was the last time you were active on Instagram app? Personally, I have disabled this feature myself and I recommend to do it yourself if you value your privacy. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open up Instagram app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Click on Settings at the bottom. Go to your Privacy section. Under the Interactions tab, click on Activity Status. Switch the toggle off next to Show Activity Status. Done. You have successfully disabled last active status on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to turn off last active on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.